So guys, today you're welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to take this out of your phone notification bar. I mean that alarm symbol over here. We are going to take it out of the phone notification. So first of all, what you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, like, and also share this video to your friends. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and scroll to see whether you are going to see the app. So let me show you. So this is it. So when you go to your phone menu, what you have to do is to search for clock. So when you see clock there, tap on the clock. So as you can see, it have been ticked on. So when you take it off, then after that, what you have to do is to delete it. So as you can see, I have deleted it. And now when you see, or when you look at the phone notification bar, you're not going to see it, or you're going to find it over here. So let me try to set an alarm over here. So let's say let's turn it on. So when you turn it on like this, then you tap on save. So when you tap on save, this is where you're going to see it. And as you can see, or as I'm talking right now, you can see it over here that the alarm section is here. So when you want to remove it, just come down below and tap on this section, or tap on this section. To tap on it like this. When you tap on it, it's going to turn off. So as you can see, it has turned off. So this is how to remove alarm symbol from your notification bar on your mobile phone. And it's very simple. As you can see over here, it's very simple. So you can't find it over here anymore. So as you can see, when you look at the section over here, I mean the notification section, you are not going to find any alarm over here. So thanks very much for watching this video, and let me repeat this again. If you want to remove that alarm over here, just go to your phone menu and search for clock, and this is clock. So this is clock. Do you get me? Yeah, this is clock. So when you tap on it like this, then it turn off. You turn it off over here. Do you get me? So thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends on other social media platforms.